Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I got a chance to play a little bit this weekend and I got my December calendar page done. So for this particular calendar page, I used the December 2021 Kiwi Club Kit called Joy to the World. So let me grab it and I'll show you kind of how it turned out, and I'll share with you the templates and things I used. So remember with these calendar pages that if you're not a calendar person, you can always just use them as a single page layout, okay? So this particular calendar page used this large bracket down here at the bottom, so that was large bracket 2. I love this paper. This is my favorite paper in the December kit. I just think it's beautiful. So I've got large bracket 2 there, and then this is one of the templates that came with this month's kit. This is piece 5, and just a fun little swirly template. It reminded me a bit of one of the ones in Cascade Trails, but it's not the same. So cut that piece out of just one of the green kind of background sheets. And then for the poinsettias here, there was a really beautiful template included. This is piece 3. And I cut it out of an off-white and then also out of a really beautiful deep red, okay? So I'll show you, I just kind of layered those, inked around the edges, and I just kind of squished up the edges a bit to give them a little texture, and then put a little bit of gold stickles on there just to fancy it up a bit, okay? So this is where my photos will go. So this will be perfect for like 3 4x6s, or if I have some other photos from that holiday season that I want to use. I went ahead and left the mats off so that I have a lot of flexibility with what I put on there. Okay. If you are doing a calendar, this is what I did on the lower part. So of course, when I traced this piece off of a whole sheet of paper, it created this scrap. So I just made sure that I did that up high enough that I had a nice little scrap I could put here. This is a 1/4 inch strip of that same red that I used on the top. And then this sentiment says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." And I used Citrus 2. So this is out of a previous club kit. Citrus 2 for that. And then just use my little tracing discs to go around it to make that little backing piece. So if you haven't seen these before, these are actually made by Singer. The yellow one is my favorite because it gives about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. So just a fun way to be able to back any template, whether you have 2 different sizes of it or not. So lots of flexibility there. So I'm going to pop this open so you can see kind of the whole thing. And I'm just going to slide it. It's going to be off to the side a bit. Sorry about that. Just to get it through the legs of the camera. So there you go. There's the whole view. And there'll be a couple of close-up pictures at the very end of the video for you to take a look at. If you have any questions about how I created this, or if there's any links or anything you're looking for, check out the description box, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you on my channel another time. Thanks for popping in today. Bye-bye.